Let's talk about the latest launched Honor smartphone X5b with nature-inspired design. Now, let's talk about the specifications of this smartphone. Firstly, talk about the display of this smartphone. This phone features with TFT LCD display, with 6.56 inches HD plus water drop notch. Magic capsule display, resolution of 720 by 1612 pixels, approximately 83.2% screen-to-body ratio. 20:9 aspect ratio, approximately 269 ppi pixel density, 530 nits maximum high brightness, and with 90 Hz refresh rate. And now talk about the camera of this smartphone. The smartphone with dual camera setup on the rear that includes 13 megapixel main camera with aperture 1.8, along with auxiliary lens camera. For selfies it has 5 megapixel front camera with aperture 2.2, video recording maximum 1080p at 30 fps on both rear and front camera. For the software, the handset turns on Android 14 operating system, based on exclusive optimized version of Magic OS 8 screen on top the device. Under the hood, the phone CPU is octa-core 2.2 GHz quad-core Cortex-A53 Plus 1.6 GHz quad-core Cortex-A53, powered by MediaTek Helio G36, 12nm chipset, paired with PowerVRGE 8320 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone plugs with 4 GB of RAM, with 4 GB of extended RAM, and 64 GB of onboard storage, which is further expandable up to 1 TB dedicated micro SD card slot. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 163.85 by 75.75 by 8.7 mm, and it weighs around 194 grams, and the color options, midnight black, starry purple, ocean blue colors to see in this smartphone, and the device comes backed by a massive 5200 mAh battery, with 10-watt charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication, with face unlock. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 4G, dual-point Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.1, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a USB Type-C charging port. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The Honor X5b has been priced in Oman for 4 GB plus 64 GB storage variant at 30 Omani Rial. Conclusion: so what do you guys think of this Honor X5b smartphone? Do let us know in the comments section below and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.